Get healthier in 10 seconds. Health tips you can apply instantly. Tired of complicated health advice? Want to make a real difference without spending hours at the gym? Then you're in the right place. We're about to unlock the secrets to instant health wins. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to be here with you today. I'm James, and I'm all about making healthy living simple and achievable. Are you ready to transform your well-being in just seconds? In this video, we're diving into 10 incredibly easy health tips that you can start applying right now. These aren't complicated routines or expensive gadgets. These are small, immediate changes that add up to big results. Get ready to feel healthier, more energized, and more focused, all with minimal effort. Let's dive in. Just 10 minutes of moderate exercise per week can significantly reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Did you know that just 10 minutes of moderate exercise per week can significantly reduce your risk of chronic diseases? That's less than 2 minutes a day. It's amazing how even a little bit of effort can make a huge difference in your long-term health. So, let's get started and discover how you can incorporate these tiny habits into your daily life. Start your day with a glass of water. It's the simplest way to kickstart your metabolism and rehydrate your body after sleep. Drinking water first thing in the morning wakes up your system and sets a healthy tone for the rest of the day. Plus, it can help you feel more alert and energized. If you work at a desk, make it a habit to stand up every 20 minutes. This simple action can do wonders for your circulation. Standing up helps prevent stiffness and combats the negative effects of prolonged sitting. Even a quick stretch while you're up can make a difference. Swap sugary drinks for water, tea, or sparkling water. Sugary drinks are loaded with empty calories and can lead to energy crashes. Making this simple switch can significantly reduce your sugar intake and improve your overall health. Plus, staying hydrated with water has so many benefits. Opt for the stairs instead of the elevator whenever possible. It's a quick and easy way to get a burst of exercise into your day. Taking the stairs gets your heart pumping and strengthens your leg muscles. It's a small change that can make a big impact on your fitness level. Grab a piece of fruit as a snack. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They're a much healthier alternative to processed snacks and can help you feel full and satisfied. Plus, they're naturally sweet and delicious. Take a few deep breaths throughout the day. Deep breathing is a powerful tool for reducing stress and improving focus. It helps calm your nervous system and brings more oxygen to your brain. Try inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Walk around while you're on the phone. This is an easy way to add more movement to your day without even thinking about it. Instead of sitting or standing still, pace around your office or home while you chat. It's a simple way to boost your activity levels. Spend a few minutes in the sunlight each day. Sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and immune function. It also improves your mood and can help combat seasonal affective disorder, SAD. Just remember to wear sunscreen if you're going to be in the sun for an extended period. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and smell of your food. Eating mindfully helps with digestion and portion control. It allows you to savor your meals and be more aware of your body's hunger cues. Make sleep a priority. Getting enough sleep is crucial for your overall health and well-being. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation can lead to a host of health problems, including decreased energy, impaired cognitive function, and weakened immunity. So, there you have it, 10 simple health tips you can apply instantly. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'm excited to hear which ones resonate with you the most. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more content like this for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time and attention. I'll see you in the next video.